Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the 3 miles overpass in Jamaica. We are on Hagley Park Road, which is the upper overpass, and where we are now is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. The intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road is the busiest intersection in Jamaica, so the government decided to build a double overpass at this intersection to help with the flow of traffic. So we are on the upper or the higher of the two overpasses, which is the Hagley Park Road overpass. Below us is the Spanish Town Road overpass, and then below that is the original intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. There are a lot of business places on the ground level, so that intersection is still operational. So as you can see, this is a very nice overpass. It's actually the only double overpass in Jamaica and the tallest overpass in Jamaica. To the right, straight ahead to the right, you get a very nice view on New Kingston. And when we're going on the overpass in the opposite direction, you get a very nice view of the Kingston Wharf, or the Port of Kingston, or the Kingston Container Terminal. Because a lot of persons call it by different names, but the correct name is the Kingston Container Terminal. So we are now on the ground level of Hagley Park Road. So we're going to make a U-turn at the light and go back over the overpass so you can see it from the opposite direction. So this is now the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Walton Park Road. Alright, so we're going to go back over the overpass now from this direction so you can get a view from this side. You're going to get a very nice view of the Port of Kingston. So if we wanted to access the ground level of the overpass now, we would turn left here, and that would take us back to the original intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. But these two overpasses have made a huge impact on the flow of traffic. So you don't have the long delays you would have once at this intersection. Because if you're staying on Hagley Park Road, you just take this overpass and it takes you to Tinston Pen Aerodrome, to the Kingston Wharf, to put the Portmore Expressway, to Marcus Garvey Drive. So it works perfectly, and that takes you into the Portmore, or if you turn left you can go into downtown Kingston. Spanish Town Road has a lot of communities off it, so the overpass below this is the Spanish Town Road overpass, and as we say, if you're just passing through, you don't have any business, you just take the overpasses. If you need to go to an establishment on the ground level, then you go to the original intersection. So there you can see a very nice view as we were coming over of the overpass. Now this is the only double overpass in Jamaica. It was very nicely done, excellent project by the government. Well, it's very clear this was the busiest intersection, so it was very good of the government to build the overpass at this spot because it definitely needed it. And it was built under the MIDP, which is a Major Infrastructure Development Program. Alright, so we're going to turn left now and go on to Marcus Garvey Drive, but if we had gone straight, we could make a U-turn and go back onto Hagley Park Road, or you could turn right and go on to the Portmore Expressway, which takes you into Portmore. So on the left now is the Tinsipen Aerodrome. Not very popular in terms of domestic flights, but it's very popular in terms of a training school. And a few companies have hangars over there, but in terms of it's not a very popular location, and persons have even suggested that it should be closed or used for something else, like a cargo thing. And the Airport Authority of Jamaica is actually looking into it, because it really isn't that busy, basically, according to reports. We have videos up of driving through the Tinsipen Aerodrome, so you can check those out. Now on the right is the Kingston Wharf area, because with the largest port in Jamaica over there, you have a lot of business places around it that have functions that support the port, and a lot of business places have warehouses directly by the Kingston Wharf area. You can see some police officers hard at work on the left. Alright, so we are on Marcus Garvey Drive now, heading towards downtown Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about the video, and also if you have anything to add in terms of the areas we drive through, we'll be happy to use your information in future videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day.